we out here cleaning our bin.
Austin's super excited about filming this, so we're gonna film it. We're cleaning out our dryer vent. We've lived here for 2 years. We haven't cleaned it. Everybody, this is the status of the dryer. Zoom in. Oh, how? Stop. Oh my God. Very minty. This is so peaceful. So yeah, life's been so busy just finishing out the working season. And sometimes I wish my weeks could be longer or something so I could do everything that I want to do. It's crazy sometimes to be so full of ideas and so full of inspiration, and then have to really pick and choose what you do every day. Let's go see. Yeah, I'll get it in a minute. Oh my God, this basement is fucking atrocious. Look at everything. Are you doing windows tomorrow? I swear I've spent half my life cleaning and organizing things. That's all I do. Last week I just reorganized my room where I like to do art and stuff. It was really lackluster in there. I hated it, but I finally got it to a place where I like it. So I think I need to do the same down in this basement. And maybe a month or so ago, I redid this area. Because I want to use it as a shipping station and a place to make art prints and stuff for paintings that I've made. And since then I've acquired some baskets of dried pine needles. You saw my other needle video. The eucalyptus branches that I mentioned in a different video. I have some acorns in this backpack that I collected from a cool place. And then I found this cool ass trunk. I like vintage trunks. So I think I'm gonna put all of that stuff in the trunk, and then I'm going to put the trunk somewhere. And then this is Austin's side of the basement, and we've been so busy with work. I want to move this god-awful couch somewhere else so he could put all his stuff over there, because we're transferring into a different sports season where we're not going to be motorcycling anymore. So we'll put motorcycle stuff away, but we'll be snowboarding. I need a new snowboard, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I was riding this old, what is it called? Space Metal Fantasy Capita board for the last 3 years, and I just want something new, so. Bye, girls. If I can muster up the energy today, I'm going to finish the basement. It's been good. It's been peachy keen. So my goal with the basement is I want to move that couch, and I want to rearrange our wall of stuff in the laundry room where our camping stuff is, because we're not camping anymore. And I have a big tote of driftwood I collected from Lake Michigan like 3 years ago. I've been making these driftwood hangers with them, and I either need to finish using all of this wood, make something out of it, or something's got to happen with this wood. Before I go down the basement to clean, I'm going to roast some pumpkins, because I brought some of these pumpkins home from work. And the first thing I want to make is a pumpkin bisque, and then I want to make this pumpkin, I found it on Pinterest. It's like this pumpkin and Italian sausage casserole, and then I'm gonna make some like pumpkin mac and cheese, and I'm going to try eating some cheese. So I'm gonna get that put in the oven, and then we're gonna go down in the basement and see what we could work with. That's all I'm getting to. I realized that couch probably isn't gonna fit through that doorway, and I don't want to mess with Austin's stuff. Like, it's his man shit, so I don't want to mess with that too much, and he's probably got his own plan. But I did get some stuff cleaned up. We don't have a garage, so that's why this basement is a laundry room, a tool room, a storage room, a garage. Like, there's a lot going on in this little tiny basement. And, you know, businesses need room, so I guess we're just working with what we got right now. let's go check on that pumpkin and see how the pumpkin's doing. All right, let's see how the soup tastes. I don't know if I've ever made pumpkin bisque before. It really needs salt. Sometimes I forget to put salt in my soups. It's okay. It's not the best soup I've ever made. I usually make soup for lunch because it's really easy to heat up in the morning and bring with in a thermos. So this might be the last week I do this because usually I do it when we're working, and this is the last week of work. So if you're gonna make pumpkin bisque, make sure you like flavor it with maybe a lot of ginger. I make butternut squash soup all the time, and it's always got a lot of ginger in it, and that's what makes it taste so delicious. Well, anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me on this day, on my sick day. I hope it wasn't too boring for you to hang out and do home projects, but this is life, and this like moment is just a fragment of the entire expanse of everything. So with what I'm working on, at least, this is just the beginning, and it's totally a preparatory stage, and it's totally a stage where I don't get to spend that much time creating things because I'm preparing to be in that space. And any Abraham Hicks fans out there, I'm just getting ready to be ready. So, all right, guys, I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo!